Heidelux Leather Restoration Cream is marketed as a premium solution for reviving worn leather, promising to restore color, shine, and softness in just a few applications. At $40 a jar, it positions itself as a high-end product compared to cheaper conditioners you'll find at hardware or auto shops. The strengths are clear. It uses natural oils and waxes that can genuinely nourish leather, reduce cracking, and bring back a richer finish. Some users report impressive results on furniture, car seats, and even old handbags, noting that the cream feels more luxurious than budget alternatives. But here's the truth. While it does condition leather, the miracle claims are overstated. It won't fix deep scratches, peeling, or heavily damaged surfaces, and the results are often comparable to cheaper products that cost half the price. Just look at this here on Walmart. This costs only $14. Reviews also point out that premium branding and sleek packaging may be doing more of the heavy lifting than the formula itself. Heidelux Leather Restoration Cream is legit in the sense that it works as a conditioner, but calling it a $40 miracle is a stretch. Worth it if you want a luxury base branded product for light restoration, but if you're after real repair or better value, you may want to leave it.